stepping out the place. Every man a pray. Body hot like fire. Leave them weak at the knees. Gyal, broke it down, make the floor them quake. Move so deadly, leave the place in a wake. She no want talk, just bust up the vibe. Wine pon the beat like she born for the ride. Skin smooth as fat, she a full course meal. Gyal too wicked, she a make the man kneel. She got the moves, the waistline divine, divine. Body a trouble, make you lose your mind. She bust it on the floor, every bounce ignite. She the baddest gyal, star of the night. She got the moves, yeah she got the flow. Rock every rule, make the dancehall glow. All eyes upon her, what you gonna do? She out the queen, control the venue. Every wine where she give man a lose composure. The girl too hot, them can't take the exposure. Pussy tight, move slick, she a pro with the thing. Man I watch jaw drop, she the dancehall king. She bossy wide, make the whole place hype. Body built for trouble, she the baddest type. She got the moves, the waistline divine, divine. Body a trouble, make you lose your mind. She boss it on the floor, every bounce ignite. She the baddest girl, star of the night. She got the moves, yeah she got the flow. Rock every rule, make the dancehall glow. All eyes upon her, what you gonna do? She are the queen, control the venue. Gyal bad, body tight, make the man them mad. She the one, not take no chat. She the queen and that a straight facts.